saw was smoke and fire. I didn't feel a thing, but suddenly I was rising higher, and I felt like I just made the biggest mistake. When I thought about my unborn child, when I thought about my wife, and the answer rang out clear from somewhere up above. No greater gift has man than to lay down his life for love. And I wondered, would I give my life? Or could I make that sacrifice? If it came down to it, could I take the bullet? I would. Yes, I would for you. Maybe you don't understand. I don't understand it all myself. But there's a brother on my left and another on my right, and in his pocket, just like mine, he's got a photograph, and they're waiting for him back home. And it's weighing on my mind. I'm not trying to be the hero, I don't wanna die, but right now in this moment, you don't think twice. I wonder, would I give my life? Could I make that sacrifice? If it came down to it, could I take the bullet? I would. Yes, I would. You don't think about it right. You don't think about it wrong. You just do what you gotta do to defend your own. And I do the same for you. Yes, I would. Yes, I would. I would give my life. I would make that sacrifice.